Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. In today's video, I am going to be doing a wave pour. I have only done one and it was really good and I sold it right away, and that was like 2 years ago and I never did another one. So I'm gonna try another one and see what happens. All right, so the colors that I'm using today, this one here is I mixed two. It's Payne's Gray and Prussian Blue, and then this one here is just regular blue, and then I've got some teal, and then my base coat is white, and that's just Artist Loft Floetrol white. All my colors, I mixed them with Floetrol and water only, and I did make them a little bit thinner than I normally have. I think it was like 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and then just a touch of water. All right, and I don't have any silicone or anything added. All right, now this painting was quite trying. So it's one of those things that I really wasn't going to release it, but I wanted you guys to see if you keep trying, keep going, you can end up with something that you like. Sometimes you can kind of chalk it up to a learning experience as well, and that's kind of what I did with this one. I just kept going with it until I got something that I like. So I do apologize that it is upside down, but if you keep watching, I'm hoping that you will maybe learn something like I did from this, or just enjoy it. All right, so sit back, enjoy the music, and I will be back in a jiff. Okay guys, so I decided to embellish this painting with some birds. I've got some black paint and some small brushes, and I still am not quite happy with it, so I thought maybe adding a few birds might help me like it a little bit better. Alright, so I'm just going to give it a try, see how it looks, and then I'll be back with the dried result. Alright, so here we go with the dried photos, and I'm actually very, very happy with it now. I think, I don't know, just adding those birds just added that little extra touch to it, so I actually really like it, and I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, so leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you think someone will like it. And I hope that you guys got a little bit of something out of this video. Keep trying, don't give up. Alright, I've got a bunch more videos I know you will love, and I'll catch you in the next one.